Hey guys, you're in a nutshell with me, Ina. This is a follow-up episode doon po sa episode natin. A couple of days ago wherein we talked about this latest announcement from Tim Hortons. The company said it will now focus on hiring locals. Okay, sa mga branches nito. Nag-launch sila ng isang campaign. Let me put this up. Ito yung press release nila. A campaign, ayan, wherein they intend to hire 10,000 local team members. Sabi po dito, no, in the press release, they admitted that the company in the past lobbied for more access sa foreign workers. And now they're saying that it's no longer needed. They don't intend to push for expanded access to TFWs anymore. Ang sabi nito, today, in 2026, yan, with high youth unemployment nationally, lobbying for expanded access is no longer necessary. Okay, by the way, maraming salamat po doon sa mga nanood ng ating episode. I must say, most of you agree with the observations of our guest there, si Kuya Puto. Si Kuya Puto, sabi niya doon, hindi na siya nagpupunta sa Teams kasi for him, hindi na nga masyado maganda raw yung service. And he is blaming it on the system wherein he thinks, like many of you do, no? Masyado nang inuuna nung teams, nung kumpanya daw, ang profits. Masyado na lang nagtitipid. Yun na lang ang nasa isip, kaya nasa sakripisyo na yung kanilang serbisyo. Many of you agree, and by the way, I will be reading some of your comments in just a bit. But anyway, bakit ako nagkaroon ng follow-up episode? Well, after news outlets picked up this story, there is one news outlet which is saying, nako, nagsisinungaling ang Teams sa taong bayan. Yan ang sabi, no? This is from Rebel News. Let me put this up. Kaya, napaisip din ako, syempre, no? Sabi, Tim Hortons is lying to Canadians. Bakit? Ang sabi po kasi nung article, kung magpunta ka sa job bank, ang dami-dami pa rin nilang openings. And these openings are geared towards TFWs daw. Okay? For those who might be unfamiliar, yung job bank, it's a job portal. Okay? Job seekers can go there and look for job postings, apply sa mga trabahong yan. Ang sabi nung Rebel News, para sa TFWs yung job bank. Target talaga niyan foreign workers. In a way, it's true because isa po sa mga requirements for employers bago sila ma-issuehan ng tinatawag na LAMIA ay mag-post sila dyan sa job bank for, I think right now, 8 weeks yung requirements. No? Parang patunay na sinubukan mo maghanap ng local applicant. Dyan mo ipopost. Okay? Although, hindi lang po talaga pang TFW, pang foreign workers yung job bank portal na yan. Okay, so let's clarify that. Even PRs and citizens can also apply for jobs posted there. Pero yun nga lang, ang naging impression kasi sa job bank is, wala talagang yan, kahit mag-apply ka ng trabaho dyan, kung PR ka, citizen, hindi ka naman nila papansinin Hindi nila papansinin yung application mo kasi ang gusto talaga ng mga yan, makakuha ng LAMIA. Ganyan ang naging kritisismo dyan. But anyway, so, I took a look at job bank to also check, ano nga ba talaga ang katotohanan? Pero before we go there, let me share with you this article also. From the Globe and Mail naman. Talking about the same issue, yan, Tim Hortons to dial back use of the TFW program aims to hire 10,000 locally. I wanted to share this with you kasi merong quote dito, yung isang official ng Tims. Ang sabi ni Mr. Duncan Fulton, the Chief Corporate Officer of Restaurant Brands. Yan po yung parent company ng Tim Hortons. Ang sabi dito, we have not lobbied the government since last year and we won't be lobbying them on TFWs anytime soon given our commitment to hire locally everywhere possible. Okay? Everywhere possible. Meron pang sinabi dito. At the end of the day, our owners would prefer to hire locally almost 100% of the time. So, klaro dito sa statement nung kanilang chief corporate officer na as much as possible daw talaga 100% ang gusto nilang i-hire ay local. Totoo ba yan? Tignan natin yung job bank. And I would like to get your thoughts about this, no? I-type natin Tim Hortons. May option tayo dito to put keywords, no? So, I think it would be better if we put Tim Hortons LMIA. Kasi yung mga job postings po, naka-identify dyan eh. Kung sila ay nag-a-apply for an LMIA. Isa-search ko. Ayan. So, right now, there are 82. Okay, 82 job postings from Tim Hortons na nagre-request ng LMIA. Food Service Supervisor sa Victoria, BC, posted only May 20. Counter Attendance Food Service sa bandang Quebec, posted April 2022. Restaurant Manager na ang sweldo, $36.75 sa Surrey, BC. Posted also April 16, 2026. So ano kaya? Parang may point in a way yung sinasabi ng Rebel News, ano? Kasi sabi dun sa Globe and Mail interview nung kanilang bossing, di ba? As much as possible, 100%. Ang hinahire namin ay local. Pero for me, guys, ano, yung announcement po kasi does not really say that they will cut all TFWs of their workforce. Ang dating sa akin ng press release is they will have more focus, okay, on local hiring. Siyempre, meron pa rin po kasing mga issue, no, in rural parts of Canada wherein mahirap daw makahanap ng empleyado. O sige, let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Perhaps those branches might still need LMIAs. Okay? Pero kung ito, halimbawa, restaurant manager sa Surrey, BC, na $36.75 hourly ang sweldo, palagay mo wala mag-a-apply na local dyan? Palagay ninyo? Ito, restaurant manager sa Nanaimo, BC, ang salary $76,000 annually. Do you think nobody local would want that job? Okay. Technically, again, technically speaking, pwede pa rin mag-apply ang mga locals dyan. It's just that, let's be real, kapag meron pong LAMIA requested, more often than not, hindi po papansinin nung kumpanya yan. Kasi ang goal na niya mag-hire nung LAMIA. That is the reality. That is what's really happening. Isa pa, restaurant manager sa team sa Edmonton. Ang salary, 36. May LMIA requested. Wala ba? Wala bang mag-a-apply niyan? So, that is why medyo naiintindihan ko kung bakit may mga pagdududa dito sa press release ng Tim Hortons. Isa pa, no, which some of you also raised in the comment section. Anong palagay nyo? Talaga bang company decision? Is it really an operational shift sa hiring strategy ng kumpanya? Talagang gusto nilang mag-hire ng local? Or is it because of incoming competition na Dunkin Donuts? Medyo na-mention namin yan ni Kuya Puto dun sa episode natin. Some of you also believe na kaya lang ngayon nasasabi ang teams na magpo-focus na sila ng local hires is because paparating ang Dunkin Donuts. Yung mga taong hindi na happy sa service ng teams, those also criticizing teams for hiring too many TFWs, doon na yan pupunta sa Dunkin. Kaya ang teams naglabas ng ganitong announcement. Could be, who knows, right? So kung ang tanong, is teams really serious doon sa naging press release nila? Feeling ko, oo din naman. Oo din naman, But is it only because they want to help address youth unemployment? Kasi yun yung sinasabi nila Siguro partly, but do you think it's the sole reason? For me, I don't think that's the only reason. I mean, this could be also the response dito sa growing criticisms na kung dati siguro akala nila pwede na lang deadmahin, ngayon hindi na nila ma-deadma. Okay, yung criticisms about their hiring procedures, which, to some have started to also affect their services. What do you guys think? Okay? O sige, puntahan na natin yung mga comments niyo. Again, maraming salamat for those who shared their opinions dito sa ating comments section. So, ito, no? Sabi ni RTC, Miss Ina, you know why Tim's is doing this? Because, ito na nga, Dunkin' Donuts is coming back to Canada. And IMO, in my opinion, it's a big threat to them to lose more customers. Thanks, RTC. Si Borda Gol. Sabi niya, good news! End of era na po ang Tim Hortons pathway. Hindi na raw pwede yung na-PR lang dahil sa coffee shop. Para lang yan dapat sa mga PR citizens na students. Okay. Thank you, Bordagul. Si Cha, sabi niya, nag-agree daw siya kay Kuya Puto. Yan. Kids born here in Canada deserve to be given the opportunities to learn and grow by letting them enter the workforce. But if priority is given more to TFWs, then this is an unfair treatment to the Canadians and PRs. Sabi niya, it's not just TFWs who need to survive. Canadians and PRs have every right to survive in this country too. Yan, hindi din daw siya nag-agree that TFWs are more hardworking than Canadians. For her daw, no, yung teams, we used to like going there but we haven't gone there for years now because the food is not clean. Yun ang sabi ni Cha. Okay. Ito naman si Jenny Balsicas. O, tama daw si Kuya Puto about the cleanliness per se. Nung nag-visit daw siya sa Canada, I went to one of the Tim branches in Toronto. Sabi niya, hay naku po, ayaw ko na lang sabihin ng word kasi negative, pero nakakadismaya talaga ang cleanliness. Yun. Sabi niya, wala akong makitang Pinoy sa branch na yun. Oh. Thank you, Jenny. O, si Nero Mary, sabi niya, naging competitive bigla si Tims nung bumalik si Dunkin. O, yan. Thank you, Nero. Ito naman si Robocop. I find it incredulous na yung mga teams daw sa Asia are nicer, brighter, cleaner, more modern than those in Canada. Better service as well, with a wide smile. Last time daw niya nagpunta ng team sa Canada, sa bandang Vancouver, the floor was wet and dirty. Several tables were not cleared or not wiped thoroughly. The smell was another issue. I was so grossed out. I went to the gelato place across the street for coffee. Yeah. Thank you, Robocop. And finally, ito si Lego Pinoy Mom. Sabi niya, yesterday we went to Tim's for coffee, then went to the washroom. And ako, one stall had, ayun, na hindi raw finlash. So I moved to the next stall, wala naman tong toilet paper. Sabi niya, crazy Tim's years back, it was never like this. Okay. Oy, ano ba yun? To sabi niya, a few minutes later, the whole store was covered with smoke and no fire alarm. Again, thank you so much, guys, for your inputs. Okay, I appreciate all of them. Well, let me know what you guys think about this. Kayo rin po ba? Do you have your doubts, questions about Tim's latest press release saying that they will now focus on hiring local? Eh, sabi nung boss nila, no? Balikan natin, ha? Iniwala ba kayo dito? Ulitin ko lang. Sabi nung boss, no? Since last year, hindi na raw sila naglalobby for more TFWs. Dahil ang commitment na raw nila is to hire locally everywhere possible. And ayun na nga, our owners would prefer to hire locally almost 100% of the time. Okay, I look forward to reading your comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!